Welcome to this week's screencast. The screencast concerns literacy for all students and 4 articles that deal with this subject. The first 2 articles are by Allenton and King Sears. The Allenton articles writes about reading intervention and more specifically the lack of intervention for students that only develop reading problems later in life. The problem with this, as Laura Ara stated, is that it poses a challenge for middle school educators to bring these students to grade level, because by the time these reading problems are spotted, the curriculum has become increasingly difficult and the Regents exams are close at hand. There are, however, some principles that can help with interventions for these children. These interventions include quality instruction, and also constant reading of books that the students are actually interested in. The King Sears article speaks about technology, and more specifically the implementation of technology in the classroom. Technology can be especially useful for children with disabilities due to its ability to adapt to different situations. As Kyrillos Margarios stated, the article concerns the importance of knowing our students well and applying technology based on their needs. Laura Angela Santo found that technology was a very useful feature not only to help students with disabilities learn the curriculum, but also to help them socially integrate with the rest of their classmates. The final 2 articles were by Sayerba and Watson et al. The Sayerba article on texts as mirrors and texts as windows wondered how accurate our judgments are when we make judgments of a reader's interest based on that reader's culture or race. More specifically, will readers of the same culture and the same race find books more interesting if those books speak to that culture or that race? Laura Angela Santo found that teachers need to navigate a natural tension between assuming that a racial group experience shapes the point of view of all students and authors, and on the other hand, understanding that every student and every author is a unique individual with his or her own perspective. The final article was by Watson and others, and it listed several evidence-based strategies for reading intervention. These strategies included decoding, phonics, fluency, vocabulary, text structure, and others. Kyrillos Margarios spoke about prior knowledge and found that prior knowledge of any given topic facilitates learning of new information regarding that topic by triggering prior schemata that relate to that new information. This strengthens comprehension and deepens understanding. Laura Aras found that teachers must employ different strategies for literacy depending on the ages of the students in their classes. This concludes this week's screencast. Thank you for listening.